Cash Money AP.
That's more like it.
Welcome back, guys. You are watching Shantae Star, and you are here because you want to know how long it took me to get monetized. Guys, I am officially monetized. I am super excited. When I say I'm excited, I am so excited. So anyways, I don't want to go too deep in the story because it kind of get emotional for me. A lot of people don't understand what YouTube does to people. Well, I'm a very emotional person. So when I got monetized, it was very emotional for me because me in my head thinking that just a year and a half ago that I would not, I wouldn't get this far so quickly. But I made it. 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 And I'm so excited to be here. And I'm so excited for you guys because you guys are my biggest supporters. I love you guys so much. Hugs and kisses to all of you. So, anyways, guys, I did not do a complete video of this look, but I did I did do a mini tutorial through Instagram. So it'll be in my Instagram link below. So yes, guys, I am monetized, guys. I am so happy. People be coming to my Facebook and Instagram asking me like, oh my God, see your ads. You have ads now. You have ads now. You monetized. I'm like, yes, baby, I'm monetized. I am monetized and I am finally, guys, I just got done eating. Might have a little food in my teeth. These braces be killing me. But anyways, guys, I am super excited to be here. And I'm super excited to let you guys know how and when and where and all of that kind of stuff. So, if you are here, keep watching. And if you are a new viewer, don't forget, click that link below, subscribe to my button. And up top, you can even be notified when I am posting something else because I am going to be consistent this year. 2020, right now it is, it's a Saturday. Oh, it's Saturday, January 25th, 2020. We about to be in February right now. This month flew past like, shoo. I had to go like this. Shoo. Okay, but anyways, y'all, I am super hyped and I am here to give you guys the tea on this journey because it has been a long one. When I say a long one, it has been a long one. So if you're here, keep watching, click that link. Don't forget about me. I am here to stay. See you in a little bit. Okay, y'all know what I mean. Bye. So, guys, we are back. Y'all, I just cannot believe it. I cannot believe that I'm really monetized. I'm monetized, y'all. I am monetized. And this right here is a big thing for me. And I don't have anything that I wrote down. So everything that I'm saying is based off of what I remember. So if I stop for a little bit to think, please excuse me. But anyways, you guys are the best in the world. Like when I say you guys are the best, well, besides my kids and my family, but you guys are mean so much to me. You guys are basically my other my family too. So you guys are like the best, really the best to me, because if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here. And you know, if it wasn't for you guys watching my videos, watching for a certain amount of time, if it wasn't for you guys just being there for me in general while I be on this journey, I wouldn't be here. You know, I think a lot of you guys, and if you guys are on my Facebook, you guys would know that I think and I appreciate you guys so much. And I tell you guys that sometimes on the regular, you know, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. I let you guys know that because I really do. I have over 20 something thousand followers on Instagram. They are also my biggest supporters, and I know half of them is the ones that's on here right now. So if you guys are on here and you see me, please let me know. But I am so happy, and I am relieved. You know, I am at ease. I'm not stressed anymore. Listen, this social media stuff, it will get you stressed out. You guys have to be strong. If you're trying to get somewhere with YouTube, with all of this kind of stuff, you have to be strong, because like I had to learn it, this thing right here, it's a process. You understand what I'm saying? It's not just some steps that you take. It's a process. It's process, it's patience, and it's everything. You know, you have to have a strong mind, because there's been plenty of times to where I wanted to give up. I really did want it to give up, and because it was just too much. You know, I felt like I wasn't getting to where I wanted to be at a certain time. But how I look at it now, guys, do not let time stop you. Time is going to keep going. Y'all have to learn how to be patient. That's the key. Being patient is the most important thing you're going to need on this journey. Trust me. I had to have a lot of it, and I barely have any patience. But on this journey, it will make you have a lot of patience, and it will make you suffer the patience, and you have to do everything around the clock. You're going to have busy days. You're going to have days you don't feel like doing it. You're going to have days to where you just don't want to do it anymore, you know, because it's not happening fast enough for you. I've had those days. I've had those days. And it's not good. So yes, it's going to be some hard times, and it's going to be times that you're going to have to put to the side so that you can be consistent with your channel. This is no joke. A lot of people do it for fun. A lot of people do it for money. If you're doing it for fun and you don't really care about none of the other stuff that comes with it, then that's fine. You're on your own time. But if you're doing it for the money wise, and you really want this and you want to make a living from it, then you have to put time into it. You can't just expect something to happen if you don't put the time into it. You have to make videos. You have to be consistent with it. You have to make videos that people is gonna like. You know, so if you don't like, if you can't sit and watch your own videos, then you know other people can't sit and watch it. But we're not here for that. I'm gonna discuss that in one of my other videos. But we're here because I am going to let you guys know how long it took me to get monetized. Once again, I am happy to be here, and I am happy to let you guys know. Y'all, I started my channel in September 27th of 2018. It's now January 25th, 2020. But I did not get monetized until I believe December 27, 28. I'll post that. I'll be posting different things as I go along. But But I got monetized in December of 2019. So a little over a year is how long it took me to get monetized. And the way my channel was looking in the beginning, I really didn't know when I was gonna get monetized or how it was gonna happen or when it was gonna happen. My channel was so slow. It was very, very slow. And I tried everything in the book, you know, and it just wasn't working. So, right now, I'm letting you guys know when I got monetized, which was in December of 2019. So once again, it took me a little over a year to get monetized. And if you don't know what monetized means, it means YouTube is putting ads on your videos and you're getting paid for it as it goes. So yes, that's what I'm doing right now. And if you want to keep, you know, if you're here just for fun and you love, you know, you love doing stuff that you want, you enjoy doing the stuff that you want to do, then I would suggest you work hard, you make videos, and you be consistent with your work, because it's a long journey and a lot of people trying to get monetized, a lot of people trying to get there, and a lot of people be just making their channel and expect to get monetized, like, you know, just like that. But it's a lot of hard work and it's a lot of consistency in it, and it's a lot of patience. Like I keep saying, patience is the key, and you have to be patient with it, and you just have to keep going. There's no point of doing something that you really, really like and then you give up because it's not working in your way. Everything, you know, everything has patience, and you have to have patience with everything that you do. Otherwise, it won't happen. If you try to get something so quickly, it's either not gonna be right or you're never gonna get it because you're not patient enough. So yes, so if you guys are new, or if you guys are watching me and you guys are new to my channel, welcome aboard, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification button so that you will be notified. So yes, so in my next video I will be talking about, hold on, let me see, I don't know, maybe I should surprise you guys, but I won't let you guys wait too long. I'm not here to talk about anything else other than how long it took me to get monetized, when, where, how, whatever you guys want to know. So if you guys have any more questions, please don't be afraid to ask. Y'all can, I'll be posting the link of my Instagram, Facebook, email, anything. That way, if you guys have questions, if you guys want to know anything, you could just email me, DM me, message me, whatever. I'm always on social media, so it won't take long for me to reply back. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Period. Bye.